This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tyler.letner. Live at the open house. Showings to begin February 6th. Offer deadline, see agent notes. Come see this beautiful and spacious home in the heart of Halls. This home is less than a year old and sits in the desirable Berry Patch Farms subdivision. The home offers an open floor plan with just over 2,700 square feet. The home offers a large kitchen with plenty of cabinet space, stone countertops and an island. All appliances will stay with the property. This home is also equipped with smart home equipment and a tankless water heater. The home features 4 bedrooms with plenty of closet space, a bonus loft area, and 2.5 bathrooms. This neighborhood is sold out. Don't miss this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Tyler.letner at 865-584-4000.